In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the image preview pane and image QA QC functionality. First, I'm going to go to the file menu and load my image dataset. Here I'll be using the 4th Avenue example. Navigate to that folder and load the imagery. From this screen, you can quickly click on any image in the project imagery pane and get a preview of that image. So this is useful for just reviewing overlap or checking for blurry images. You can resize this viewport so it works a little better. Next, we're going to use the image QA tool to enable or disable any number of images before processing. So this can only be done before you generate the preview and initial orientation. This can be used for cleaning out blurred imagery, oblique imagery, imagery in turns, or generally any imagery outside the area of interest that you want to process. You can just quickly turn that off. So navigate over to the icon bar and choose the image QA icon. And go ahead and start just clicking images that you'd like to disable. And they turn from green to red, signifying that they are now disabled and will not be used in processing. Each image is also highlighted in red in the project imagery pane and data table, signifying that it is disabled and will not be used in processing. So I'm going to go ahead and disable this entire transect and disable half of this transect to the east. So I've now roughly disabled 13 or 14 images. If I would like to re-enable those, I simply click on it again and it turns green. So this must be done before you start the processing of the preview stage, and thus before the digital elevation model or orthomosaic. So now we've disabled those. I'm going to go ahead and load the log file so I can watch in real time and start the preview phase. And as the processing progresses, it will essentially ignore any of these images that we've disabled. So you need to be careful about using this tool and disabling images that may connect parts of your scene or images that are required for, the overlap needed in order for photogrammetry to do its thing. So as this progresses, we can see it's moving a little bit quicker than our first example, as we've got 14 less images, and should be completing the tie point stage here shortly. And now we're in the bundle block adjustment, and once that finishes, we'll have a grayscale orthomosaic preview minus any images that we've disabled.